First, the top news headlines. China coronavirus deaths rise to 490. Japan confirms 10 cases on cruise ship. NNPG's ULFA discuss ongoing peace negotiations with New Delhi. And Jiribam residents concerned over unclean meat shops. Very good afternoon. Welcome to Times of Manipur. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm ALBINA RIAMEI. Now let's get the news rolling. Deaths from coronavirus rose to 490 in mainland China, while new cases on a Japanese cruise ship in Hong Kong and elsewhere showed the increasing spread of the outbreak and renewed attention towards containing it. According to reports, 10 people from the cruise ship tested positive and were taken to hospitals, while all 3,700 crew and passengers on the ship will be quarantined on board for up to 14 days. In Hong Kong, hospitals workers are striking to demand the border with mainland China be shut completely to ward off the virus. The hospitals are cutting services as thousands of medical workers strike for a second day. All but 2 of Hong Kong's land and sea crossings with the mainland were closed. But 4 locally transmitted cases have been reported, indicating community transmission. The territory reported its first death and the second fatality outside mainland China, which has reported 490 deaths and more than 20,000 cases of the new coronavirus. The confirmed death toll in mainland rose to 490 after hardest hit Hubei province reported 65 more people had died. More than 20 countries have confirmed cases of 2019 coronavirus, prompting the World Health Organization to declare a global health emergency. Several governments to institute travel restrictions and airlines to suspend flights to and fro from China. According to media reports, World Health Organization's chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said that while 99% of cases are in China, in the rest of the world we only have 176 cases. That doesn't mean that it won't get worse, but for sure we have a window of opportunity to act, he added. The WHO statement came as Singapore, Malaysia and Thailand all reported new infections not imported from China. And on Wednesday, Japanese authorities said at least 10 passengers on a cruise ship carrying 3,711 people have the virus. After years of militancy, members of Naga national political groups, an umbrella group comprising 7 Naga rebel factions and the Pro-Tox faction of the United Liberation Front of Assam, met in Guwahati yesterday. Both groups discussed the future of the ongoing peace negotiation with the Indian government. National Socialist Council of Nagalim Reformation Chairperson Wangtin Naga said the meeting was very fruitful and the 2 groups discussed many issues like socio-cultural exchange between Assamese and Naga people, according to sources. Talking about the ongoing peace talks with the government, Alpha Chairperson Arabinda Rajkowa said both Alpha and NNPG are on the negotiating table with the center and exchanged their views about the negotiations. He also said that both have a long history and share a bond of brotherhood. While the NSC and IM have been engaged in political dialogue with the government since 1997, the NNPGs came on board the negotiating table in 2017. Many of the meat shops in Jiribam district are unhygienic and run in bad condition, which could spread different types of diseases in the district. Ironically, the concerned department has not taken up any step to improve these unclean meat shops till date. As such, the residents seek the attention of the concerned authority towards the issue.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯐꯀꯤ ꯆꯦꯛꯀꯤꯡ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯞꯇꯥ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯁꯥ ꯉꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯛꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯒ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯀꯛꯂꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤ
ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯊꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯅꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯟ ꯀꯛꯏꯕ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯣꯠꯄꯁꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯂꯨꯅ ꯅꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯃꯨꯠ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤ.
Now we have a short commercial break. Coming up next, AMSU observes first foundation day of third Kanglasha pillars at Kasar.
Wabiraganu Medilena pung kunmari chupna adongi yumda medical oxygen thinba lakpata natana installation tawwa yabagi khudong chaba pijari masita natana darkar laiba oxygen regulator amadi makhal khudingmaki oxygen mask na singba puraktuna miyamgi mateng pangjari
loinana anaba singamari leinaba makhal khudingmaki medical equipment sing foldable bed suction machine regulator monitor nebulizer wheelchair amadi oximeter na chingba leiba amadi waiba yabagi khudong chaba pijari adomsu ngasima call tawduna tanabiyu aikhogi contact number 9205987988 amadi play store da changbiduna Medline F download tabiyu.
This new year 2020, Lamjingba Group is coming up with a new project for the people called Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited. Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute will be at your service from 7 February 2020. Our vision is to be the leading hospital in the region transforming healthcare. And our mission is to deliver quality, patient-centric healthcare at an affordable price.
Welcome back after the break. All Assam Manipuri Students Union AMSU Central Committee today observed the first foundation day of the 3 Kanglasha pillars erected in memory of Manipuri martyrs at Laisramkhun under Patharkandi in Kasar district of Assam. The event was attended by AMSU Central Committee Vice President Ngasepam Sanahal, Karimganj District Committee President Laisrambir, along with elders of the area. The memorial pillars were inaugurated on this day of 2019 under the aegis of AMSU Karimganj District Committee.
Kogi za nangam samajitna magi team galwana laga chidang noy tawjaki duga ngasi se ahanba chahi first anniversary min pangthokpa galwana na akoina punjasigi ahal laman amasung Karimganj District Committee gi koi isilnaw amsugi isilnaw mayam ga punna ngasi ahanba sing mon numit asi pangthokchari.
Li Ngai, the traditional festival of Kabui community in Manipur, will be celebrated on 7 and 8 of February in all Kabui villages across the state. This was informed by Manipur Kabui Union President Dr. K. Hira Kabui during a press conference this morning at Kaisamthong Kabui Community Hall, Imphal. He said that Li Ngai festival comes after the Gan Ngai festival. Dr. Hira added that traditional song and dances will be the main attraction of the upcoming 2-day-long festival. He urged all to come and participate in the festival.
Competitive amoiba city de lebanina tabaika achinbam amoina chi mayam de kara lapthong na bum oire anumachi lingai have to kabui purupki asengba laigi haktagi puchilakpa kaiba yadaba ekogi cultural festival.
Manipur State Shumang Lila Council today mourned the death of renowned Sumang Lila artist and Academy awardee Ahaibam Diven during a state-level condolence meet at Hiyangthang Mamang Laikai, Imphal. Popular theatre personality Warepa Naba and several others were present at the event. Floral tributes were offered to the photograph of Ahaibam Diben during the condolence meet. '56th General Conference cum Sports Meet 2020 of Chothe Athaurul Ngai Abom Kena or Chothe Students Union Manipur was kicked off yesterday at Maihulon under Kongkhang village of Tengnopal district. The General Conference cum Sports Meet is being organized on the theme to glorify our heritage culture. The General Conference will continue till 7th of this month. Advisor to Chairman of Autonomous District Council Chandel, T.H. Hobson Chothe, President of CLAM, the Mintang, and Chief Functionary UTDP Y. Romeo were the main guests of the opening event. Football, volleyball, athletic, debate competition, Miss Kana 2020, traditional attire, show and solo song competition will be held during the sports meet.
We expect the same.
A major fire erupted in a parking engulfing a series of fuel tanker along National Highway 39 close to Assam-Nagaland border yesterday. The incident created panic among the residents of the area as over 100 fuel tankers bound for the state of Manipur are parked on this stretch every day. 2 fuel tankers were burned to ashes, while 3 other tankers parked in the vicinity were partially burned as firefighters rushed to the spot and battled the blaze to douse the flames. According to reports, preliminary investigation conducted by the local police and fire service department slewed hints a possible fuel theft racket active in pilfering fuel from the tankers. Police recovered a pump motor and an electric extension board from the burn site. Residents claim that a high organized racket is involved in siphoning fuel from tanker in a regular basis and causing such incidents of fire. Another we have short break, but next we have Mahurat of Myrik held at Lamyanba Sanglen.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja listing ama chawpan marifom de ki hona chai kuntra manga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ine lerek laba Nauka gi Info Center ma hangjare TV ma di phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fum na tar ngam da gi awaba mayok ne di bina al kuding mag wabi rugano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic ngasi makleng sin direktuna completely invisible water resistant ama di rechargeable oraba digital hearing aid hapiu tabag ngam gi pangalwana badom gi khangna chana ba single power si tambio ai ko gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phogoi Sangmam Laikai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6009545159.
Welcome back. Mahurat of Bir Film Productions' first film Myrik was held today at Lamyanba Sanglen in Palace Compound, Imphal. Film Forum Manipur Chairman S. Mangoljao, Vice Chairman Birendra Salam and filmmaker L. Surjakanta Sharma were present at the event. The film is directed by Kepidas with story and screenplay by Binoranjan Oinam. Abhi Kundrakpam and Soma Laisram are the lead cast in the film. The Sialkal Range Development Council SRDC office at Mumbung village of Mizoram bordering Churachandpur district was inaugurated by Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga yesterday. A celebration program was held at the Mumbung village playground, which was attended by a large number of people, including officials of Mizoram state government. The SRDC office has been constructed at the cost of rupees 230.54 lakh. During his speech, Chief Minister Zoramthanga said that in order to make the SRDC full-fledged and function effectively, an act will be inserted and this will be passed in the next assembly session. He promised for construction of a rest house and IB at Taikang and Mumbung. Thousands of students yesterday staged sit-in demonstration in front of Banapa Hall of Mizoram capital, Aizawl, demanding the state government to immediately dismiss criminal cases against their leaders. The agitation was spearheaded by Mizo Students' Union and Aizawl City College joint students. The protest was to extend solidarity to their 6 leaders who have been summoned by a district court over 2 separate cases, as per a report. 6 leaders of MSU and ACCJSU, including former MSU President RB Lalmal Soma, have been summoned by Aizawl District Court in cases filed by the Chakma House Liaison Officer and National Institute of Technology in 2017 and 2018, respectively. Police has arrested 6 students' leaders who were later released on bail. The Mizoram government began screening passengers on the Indo-Myanmar border to prevent the spread of the deadly coronavirus, which has claimed more than 300 lives in China. Media sources said screening counter and rapid response force have been set up at Jokhathar in Champhai district on the Mizoram-Myanmar border as a precautionary measure to prevent the spread of the deadly virus. A medical team from State Health Department led by Medical Officer Dr. Samuel Laldin Thara has been deployed and are conducting screening on travelers across the border based on their health status and travel history. The Myanmar government has set up screening counters on other side of the border and began screening for coronavirus since January 27. The Union Cabinet has cleared the formation of a trust for the construction of Ram Temple in Ayodhya, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced in Lok Sabha today. The trust has been named as Sri Ram Janambhoomi Tirth Kshetra. According to media reports, urging all members of the House to support the construction of Grand Ram Temple, the Prime Minister said that after the verdict on the Ram Janambhoomi issue came out, the people of India displayed remarkable faith in democratic processes and procedures. Malaysia's former First Lady, who allegedly bankrolled a luxurious lifestyle with kickbacks and stolen public money, went on trial today for corruption for the first time since her husband lost power. As per reports, Rosmah Mansor, notorious for making overseas shopping trips and owning vast collections of handbags and jewelry, became a lightning rod for public anger as the government of Prime Minister Najib Razak was engulfed by corruption allegations. Her husband's long-ruling coalition suffered a shock election defeat in 2018 in large part due to claims he and his officials plundered billions of dollars from sovereign wealth fund Malaysia Development Berhad. Prosecutors allege she pocketed 6.5 million ringgit, 1.6 million for helping a company secure the project to provide solar power generators to schools on the Malaysian part of Borneo Islands. The 68-year-old is also accused of soliciting a further 187.5 million ringgit. Rosmah faces 3 counts of corruption for the offences, which allegedly took place in 2016 and 2017. Now we have the sports news. Shreyas Iyer hit his maiden ODI 100 today as he anchored the Indian innings against New Zealand in Hamilton. Shreyas Iyer has taken 16 ODIs to get to his first three-figure score in international cricket. With 7 50s to his name, Iyer's previous best was 88, which he got as early as his second ODI against Sri Lanka in 2017. Shreyas Iyer stepped up once again when the team was in a spot of bother during the first ODI of the third match series. Shreyas Iyer got to the 100 in just 101 balls as he anchored the Indian innings after losing partner Virat Kohli after 100-plus stand for the third wicket. Iyer hit 11 boundaries and a 6 as he got to his 100 in the 43rd over. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, amidst novel coronavirus scare to confirm for swine flu, disqualification case of T.H. Shyamkumar. Speaker's Tribunal reserves judgment. Miscreant hacks woman in broad daylight. New Kolkata Manipur Bhavan almost complete. Declared Chief Minister face by 1 p.m. today. Kejriwal dares BJP. The People's Chronicle. Solved insurgency problems in Northeast, says Prime Minister. Ahead of peace deals, Alpha NNPGs hold solidarity meet. Judgment of T.H. Shyamkumar disqualification case reserved. State leaders in Delhi intensify poll campaign. Depleting forest cover worries Chief Minister Bire. Imphal Free Press. 2 cases of swine flu infection confirmed in state, says Dr. Rajo. Prime Minister Modi to participate in celebration of Boro Pact signing. Over 4 lakh people from Boroland territorial area districts and parts of Assam expected to attend the event. Unknown miscreants attack women in Charangpat. NNPG's Alpha gear up to ink inclusive agreement soon. Baby Sana case. CBI CFSL team to reconstruct crime scene. Manipur Mail. Chief Minister attends Elman General Conference at Morbung. Speaker reserves judgment in Shyamkumar case. Prevent online financial frauds and protect users. No document to be collected during the exercise of updation of NPR, says Ministry of State for Home Affairs.
Before we wrap up, let's look at the top news headlines once again. China coronavirus deaths rise to 490. Japan confirms 10 cases on cruise ship. NNPG's Alpha discuss ongoing peace negotiations with New Delhi. Jiribam residents concerned over unclean meat shops. And with that, it's a wrap for this afternoon news bulletin. Thank you for joining us. Good day ahead.